Come with us on my birthday trip to Bali, Indonesia. After 1 hour in immigration interview, sumakses din tayo. Almost 4 hours din biyahe. By 8 AM nasa Bali na kami. Parang Pilipinas lang din yung vibes nila dito, pero yung driver seat nila nasa right side. Dumiretso kami sa The Edge Resort since 2 PM pa check-in time namin. Very fancy dito for only 600,000 rupiah or 2,000 pesos. Included na yung day bed, food, and of course yung magandang view. For me, sulit na siya, tapos 4 hours ka pwede magstay. Ang tapang nga lang ng chlorine nila dito, nasira yung buhok ko. Then buong trip namin DIY kami, kaya nag-rent kami ng motor. Tapos nag-check-in na kami sa Lilima, Kuta. Ito ang aming room. 2 kama, tagis kami. Problema namin yung socket, ganito. Oh, wala kaming ganyang socket. Tapos meron kaming yung ano dito yun. Eto dito na agad dahil pagdating namin sa hotel kahapon, natulog agad kami. Andito kami sa Kretya, Ubud, 1 hour away from our hotel. Nag-early access kami for only 881 IDR or 3,000 pesos. Included na yung sofa bed and floating breakfast. Hi guys, so eto ang aming floating breakfast. Acai bowl, big breakfast, croissant, watermelon juice, pineapple juice, and then the coffee. At ang view niya ay rice terraces. Malamig dito kaya hindi na din kami masyado nagtagal. After nyan, dumiretso naman kami sa UMA checking. Dito yung swing for only 200k IDR, tapos 150k for rental ng gown. Nagdadalawang isip talaga ako pero sayang naman minsan lang sa Bali eh. Pakinggan nyo kung gaano ako ka-OA. O diba ang OA, pero legit yung takot ko dyan. After niya, nagpunta naman kami sa coffee plantation.
Turmeric, rosella, and lemongrass that we make it tea.
Okay.
And we have a coffee also here. This is Arabica. The luwak, it's our coffee maker.
Where? Oh, here. We're looking there.
They're not cooked anymore. So they only activate at night. So you don't need sleeping. So the animal eat the coffee bean, swallow it. So they have fermented at the stomach with a special enzyme and poop out. So the poop.
So that's the luwak coffee.
Yes.
Interesting. Oh, that's the organic poo.
And then after that we wash with the hot water. So until clean that's to become that. Then after that we remove the skin that's to become this.
Okay.
So don't worry, where we are processed, we not use the poo. So that's the roasting process. It's around 45 minutes or 1 hour roasting, and then after that we put it here. You see like how we grind it, how we make it powder. And then we put in here. So let's make it fine powder. So the last process to make it instant. Even after you roast it, you can smell.
Process of the roasting.
It's a luwak coffee. That's the luwak coffee. This is our tester. The tester is it coming like one side of tea and one side of coffee. You can check the name there behind the cup. Is it already?
Luwak.
Coffee lover.
Not really. Him is more of the coffee lover.
How many cup a day?
2? Ito yung ano namin guys. Ininom namin. 3 tasty hot yan. So, baka gising na gising kami yan. Sa dami namin ininom kape. Tapos eto naman yung luwak coffee. Yung gusto mo sa ano? Tea. Sa tea gusto ko yung mangosteen. Okay. Yung ano? Lemongrass. Ayan, habang umiinom kami ng kape, nakipagchikahan lang kami kay ate about sa culture ng Bali. Nakwento niya din sa amin ang sinasahod daw nila dito ay 10 million IDR or 10,000 pesos. Kaya don't forget to give tips whenever you can. Tapos pumunta din kami sa Tirta Empul Temple. Required lahat ng papasok dito na magsarong at sa mga babae kailangan nakaipit. Tapos kung may menstruation ka, hindi ka din pwedeng pumasok as a sign of respect. Itatry sana namin tong holy water kaso sobrang haba ng pila. Duck and chicken. This is our lunch for today. And this is our view. So nice. After niya, namili na din kami ng pasalubong since malapit na kami sa market. Okay, chocolate and coffee. After niyan, trinay naman namin yung street foods nila dito.
Crab stick, cheese.
Where's the cheese?
This one, cheese
Ayan,
ball.
ang gusto ko.
Have a cheese inside.
Oh. Ito ang aming dinner.
Gagi, hindi ko na makita kasi
Ngayong day 2.
Ay, ito.
Kasi gusto namin matry naman ang street foods. Nandito lang kami literal sa street. This is our day 3 and last day here in Bali. Ang una naming itinerary today ay yung ATV ride na binuko sa Klook for only 2,100 pesos. Included na yung lunch. Actually, akala ko chill lang siya pero medyo extreme din pala. Dumaan kami sa rice field, river, jungle garden, wet muddy, and cave. Overall, nasa 60 minutes trail din siya. Trinay ko din pero medyo dun na si easy part. I can say na ito ang highlight ng aming Bali trip. After niya, nagpunta naman kami sa chocolate plantation.
First, we must do the land of the sheep, yeah? After that, this one for the harvesting. For the green cacao, will change to yellow. For the red cacao, to orange. That's can be harvested. And this fermentation process, we must wrap the bean with the banana leaf. We keep around 6 days. After that,
Ayan, of course, as a sweet tooth girly, I had to try this chocolate making.
keep cooling down the chocolate.
Can I put nuts?
Not yes, you can put on the top, no worries.
Dubai chocolate kabang ka na. Ito ay honey chocolate. Gusto mo ba may nuts?
Ayun yung ano.
Ito?
Ayun yung ito.
Ayan. Wait lang. Eh, hindi ako mahilig sa ganito eh, kasi matamis na yan.
Ayun, okay na yun.
Ito sa look. Ito na guys, ang Haniel's chocolate. Unboxing. Fresh from the maker pa yan. Meron tayong dalawa heart. And then meron tayong yung malaki ganyan. Bested. B. I heart you. On our way out, nakita namin yung luwak kaya nagpa-picture na din kami. Nung pauwi na kami, dumaan kami dito sa Indomaret. Bumili at mag-try ng Indonesian snacks. Ayan, tingin tayo ng mga bagong sa ating paningin. Ito meron sa Pilipinas nito pero hindi ganitong pangalan. Diba may ganito sa Pilipinas, B? Pero hindi ganitong pangalan.
Basket pala, tray. Ito dito sabi ko.
Ano?
Basket pala dapat.
Ano sabi mo?
Tray.
Gusto nga naman. Jobber! Ito may coconut banana. Sikat to sa kanila. Tutela. Singkong. Madami to sa Pilipinas. Pero syempre iba pa rin pag dito natin binili sa Indonesia, di ba? May iba-iba palang flavor nito. Kasi alam ko ito lang binibenta sa Pilipinas. Parang pancit canton. At nung kinagabihan na nagpunta kami sa Kuta Beach para manood ng sunset. Mabilis na birthday trip lang talaga to. At madami kaming hindi napuntahan dahil kulang sa oras. Pero kahit gano'n nag-enjoy naman kami. Dahil ito din ang first out of the country naming mag-asawa. More and more to come. Super grateful and blessed. Ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!